Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to connect Sellfy with Patreon. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in sellfy.com. After that, you need to go and log into your profile or register to Sellfy if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have, as you can see, your account settings, billing, email notifications, your purchases, and the logout button. And also we have the store where you can see your products and the marketing or everything that can be seen on the left side of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and connect Sellfy with Patreon. So connecting Sellfy with Patreon is a great way to offer exclusive discounts or freebies to your patrons. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you set up. So log into Sellfy, go to your Sellfy account, navigate to Patreon integration page. Then when you are there guys, connect with Patreon, click on the connect with Patreon button, a pop-up will appear asking for permission, then just click allow on that. Log into Patreon, you'll need to log into your existing Patreon account or sign up if you of course already don't have one. Then you need to go and set up offers. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the Sellfy offer editor. Here you can set up offers for each of your Patreon tiers. Then create offers, of course, and invite patrons. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one in the near future. Until then, bye guys.